First chapter, Introduction to the HTML. Okay. Computers are widely used in the variety of applications. When computers are connected with each other, they can share resources. Such group of connected computer is known as computer network. As we studied in a standard 9, computer networks. So there are three types of computer networks. First is local area network. Basically it's called a LAN. Then wide area network, WAN. Metropolitan area network means MAN. LAN, WAN or MAN, there are three types of mainly computer networks. On the platform of internet, a distributed information system exists which is called World Wide Web, shortly WWW. Any website can start with www. The notion of web was conceived in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. The web is repository of multimedia information on the internet platform. The web pages explored using a browsers. On this web page, links are placed pointing towards a different locations. These links are known as a hyperlink. Clicking links redirected another web page. First of all, any websites you can see a first page which is named as a home page. In any link you can click on a link and it transits the power to the another web page. Content may be text, pictures, graphics, etc. Suppose in any website you can click on a picture and a large picture is available. So it's a link behind this. Content and the hyperlinks cannot be directly expressed on the web. So far that we need HTML. HTML is a language for describing a web page. First of all, you all know about the websites. Like for online shopping, you open a websites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Like our educational website www.gseb.org. Same as any other websites. You show the web pages on the websites. Any website first page which is called as a home page. A web page can made with the HTML language. So first of all, see what is the HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for creating a web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. For HTML, we must need a browser. HTML elements are represented by a text. HTML text labels pieces of content such as a heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML text but use them to render the content of the page. Elements and tag. There are two main basic of HTML. Elements or tag. HTML uses predefined tags and elements which tells the browser about content display property. If a tag is not closed, then the browser applies that effect till end of the page. There are mainly two types of tag. Tag described in an anchor tag. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and the end tag. Start tag means simply anchor tag or tag name. Our end tag is simple tag or slash with the content inserted in a between. First of all, see anchor tag, tag name, content goes here, end of tag name. Here slide is a end of tag name. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Okay, first example of element tag. P is paragraph tag. My first paragraph and end of P. Starting of P and end of P. Between my first paragraph is represented on here. HTML basic page structure. HTML page structure start with doc type HTML. It tells the version of HTML. First tag is a HTML tag. HTML root element. Now head tag. It used to contain a page HTML metadata. Here within a head tag we require a title tag. If you want to give a title to your web page, then require title tag. Title, then start of title, title of page and end of title tag. It gives the title of HTML page. Now close the head tag. Main content of your HTML tag is written between a body tag. Now start the body tag. It holds the content of HTML. H1 is a heading tag, headline, end of H1 HTML heading tag. Now if you want print any sentence on your web page, then paragraph tag is required. P tag, this is a paragraph, end of P tag. Now end of body tag and at last end of HTML tag. Okay, to type any HTML tag we required a notepad. Click on a notepad, go to the file, open a new. Okay, first of all we type doc type. Next HTML tag. Okay, first of all we give a head tag, head. Okay, now we want to title of our page, then we require a title tag, title. Okay, our home page title is my school. It here slash, it is used for end of any tag. Okay, next end of head. Okay, our main part is that, so for that we require a body tag. Okay, if we want to print any message on your web screen, then we use P tag. It means a paragraph tag. Okay, so we type my school name is Ultra Vision and end of P tag. Okay, so last end of body and at last end of HTML. If you forget HTML tag, end of HTML tag or end of any tag, then code not be a run. Okay, so our code is ready. Now for save, go to file, save as option, choose your path, choose your folder which you want to save your file. Type your folder. Go to HTML. Okay, now first name of your file. Okay, our name is home. And now extension of your web page. So here extension of HTML is dot HTML and save. Okay, now to run this file, go to your folder. Okay, here our file is available. Right click on your page, open with Google Chrome. Okay, my school name is Ultravision. It displayed on your web page. It is our web page. Okay, my school name is Ultravision. Title of your page which you given on your notepad. See here, title is our my school. See the here, title is not displayed here, it display here my school. It is the title of your web page. So basically title is given there and paragraph is here. My school name is Ultra Vision. Okay, next sentence we can add. So for that we use again P tag. I love my school and end of P tag. Okay, again Ctrl plus S for save the file. Go to Google Chrome, refresh your. Okay, next sentence is added to your web page. I love my school. So simply for creating a web page, this type of tag must be required. HTML tag, head tag, title is not needed. If you want to give your title of your web page, then title tag is used. If you don't want to use a title tag, then erase a title tag. Okay, so but head tag is must be required. Start of head tag, end of head tag. Okay, then Control plus S tag. Again go to Google Chrome and refresh. Okay, now see, my school is replaced by home.html. So title is lost because we erase a title tag. Okay, now next tag is a heading tag. Any document start with a heading. You can use a different sizes for your heading. HTML also has a 6 level of headings which use the element H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. See, here it is the basic HTML code which describe the heading tag. Okay, here head tag, title, heading example, end of title, end of head. Okay, now body start. See, same as a P tag. Within a P tag, this line is displayed on your web page. Same as a within a H1 tag to H6 tag, the line is displayed on your web page. Like see an example, H1, this is a heading, end of H1, H2, this is a heading, end of H2. Same up to H6 and end of body tag and end of HTML tag. Okay, the difference between H1 to H6 tag here. This is a heading 1. See, H1 tag's sentence is a larger in a size. Same as this is a heading 6. Smaller in a size. Okay, we will see in output. Okay, go to your tag. Okay. Now next adding a H1 tag. This is heading and end of H1. Okay, next add H3 tag. This is heading and end of H3 tag. Okay, at least we use H6 tag. This is heading. You can use any tags between H1 to H6 tag. Okay, now save your file. Go to Google Chrome. Refresh your file. See, within a H1 tag, this is a heading. Font size is a larger. Next H3 tag, this is a heading. H3 size, font is smaller than H1, and now this is a heading. It is a H6 heading. Okay, you can use any H1 to H6 tags. Okay.